Both the videos and audio is on my Tentacle Sync. Make sure you get the audio for my Tentacle Sync 32-bit float. Walter Van Dusen at the 2024 Wild Wild Vet Show. This is the setup station that I developed using Nanlite Pavoslim 120s and the new 240C as the main light. Just a short video to show how the booth looks from walking by. I hope to have at the next show a one solution stand that can hold my main camera, tether station with laptop, and be able to mount the main light, which is Nanlite Pavoslim 240. I came in from Boston through Salt Lake City to Reno, Nevada with 650 pounds of gear. These are some of the cases that I used. Today's the last day, so we're going to pack up. So I have them hidden over here. Everything that's in the booth does fit in this case and some other cases behind the curtain. The station is very efficient. The only upgrade I'll be making, besides hopefully the one stand solution for the camera, light, and tether station, is to have a Bluetooth keyboard instead of having to use this keyboard, which seemed to be a little bit of a slow thing for everybody here. So that's the only thing. The headshot station signage is great, and I have it cordoned off, so for the most part, nobody should be able to get in. I have the sign sort of blocking, so this is pretty clear what people should be doing. I also brought my YC Onion PINETA Pro. I have the beta version, and I also have the finished version, which has the upgraded lock for the head. All of my cameras have the Manfrotto move system. It's extremely fast. So I always like to promote the move system because it's my favorite. This is the DJI OSMO Pocket 3 mounted on the beta version of the YC Onion. And I like to have power going to the Bumblebee. How about you?
Yeah, I'm going to take you up on this right now.
Thank you very much. And we also have the Nanlite Pavoslim 240C. And I'll show a system of just, and just, I'm still recording. So you can like move around a little bit, just, you can go float closer, just like behind the scenes.
Okay.
So I got lucky. There's a gentleman that walked up, and we are going to wait for his coming into the booth. I preloaded. He looks about 5'9", 5'8", so I'm going to lower the camera, and we are going to show a real session. Once again, I'm using the DJI OSMO Action 5. And if you want to, you can rotate as he gets in and just rotate that way, get behind. You know what behind the scenes means? Sweet. So bring your badge with you.
Okay.
Hold your badge in your hand and grab that grade card.
Okay.
Let's place your glasses here. Dan, right?
Yeah.
Double click on Dan. Go to capture one. Dan's a little taller. Look at Dan. Look at boom, boom. Pop it down there, Dan. You're going to stand slightly in front of that T.
All right.
I just have to get the lighting on you really good. Looks nice. You're my first official person, Dan.
I know, it's awesome.
I know. I appreciate you stopping by. Look right at the camera. I'm going to turn down the right kicker light. A little hot in his face. There we go. So Dan, when you come in, I want you to first stand like this with your thumbs in your pocket.
Okay.
It gives you like a little bit of it, and your shoulders fall to your feet.
Okay.
And then I'm going to have you rotate this, like for example, this way first, then rotate this way, and then maybe a front on shot, and you get all the images.
All right.
You get them within 1 minute.
Okay.
So I'll just come like, stand like right here.
Okay.
Half step forward. And you're looking not here, but right above my lens. Chin down. I'm gonna turn down that light for a second. Give me 1 sec. A little bright in your face. Okay, Dan, a little bit more this way. Right above my lens. Chin down a little bit. I won't take a picture, but do you have a nice smile?
I do.
You do have a nice smile. Let's do some smiley ones too. Right above my lens. Turn your face this way a little bit. Thank you. Back towards me. And then rotate your feet. Same spot.
Back.
But just rotate. Thank you, Dan. Half step this way. Thank you. Let me do this. Half step this way. Thank you, Dan. Right at my lens. Turn your shoulders this way a little bit. Don't put your hands in your pocket, just put your thumbs. And do me one favor. Untuck your shirt and then tuck it back in when you leave.
Okay.
Because when you have it tucked in, it's all bunched up.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, me too. Now I'll do it again, the same series. No problem. Just yep. Turn your shoulders this way a little bit. Thank you. Turn your nose this way a smidgen. Thank you. And then lips together, but smile with your lips. But you have a nice smile, so I don't have that good of a smile. Big smile again. And then rotate. We'll do the same thing real fast. Thank you. Half step this way. Turn your shoulders towards me a little bit. Thank you. Head like this a little bit. A little bit more shoulders. Thank you. Right at my lens. Close your eyes, and then give me a fresh smile. You know what I mean? Because if you stare too long, I lose your interest. Head like this a little bit. And right at my lens. Chin down a little bit. And back to your $1 million smile. You look right at my lens. You're looking up here. No apologies. And then head like this a little bit. And then shoulders straight at me. Sit straight at me like this. Power pose. Happy again. Chin down. Happy. One more for good luck. And then the last one, just turn your shoulders a little bit towards me. Thank you. Face right here. Chin down. Happy smile. All set. Oh, you got them all? No, it's for you.
I'm sweating.
Well, open up your email.
Okay.
You check your email. You have your phone?
Yeah, I do.
Just for giggles. You sign up right over there, please. Yep.
Can I get a stamp
You
for
can.
taking my picture?
Nope. It's part of the deal. Should be under.
It's a
Yep.
delivery.
View my gallery. I have the same thing. And boom, there's all your headshots.
Wow. Cool.
Have a great
Thank you
day.
very much.
Have a great show.